What if I told you that something as innocent looking as sugar could be silently sabotaging your body? From the moment it touches your tongue to its long-term effects on your health, sugar's impact is more shocking than you ever imagined. This isn't just another health warning. It's a journey through your body's battle with an addictive substance hiding in plain sight. Want to uncover the truth about what happens every time you indulge in sweets? Stay tuned and prepare to have your mind blown by sugar's dark secrets. But first, hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss this eye-opening revelation. Sugar begins its assault the instant it meets your taste buds, triggering a chain reaction that most people never think about. As those sweet granules dissolve on your tongue, they're not just creating a pleasant sensation, they're launching a biochemical war within your body. Your taste receptors send urgent signals to your brain, lighting up reward centers and flooding your system with dopamine. This isn't just pleasure. It's a carefully orchestrated chemical response that food manufacturers exploit to keep you craving more. The average person consumes over 60 pounds of added sugar annually, often without even realizing it. Hidden in everything from pasta sauces to salad dressings, sugar has become the silent puppet master of modern diets, manipulating both our biology and behavior. The human body wasn't designed to handle this constant sugar bombardment. Our ancestors might have enjoyed the occasional sweet fruit, but today's processed sugars deliver concentrated doses far exceeding anything evolution prepared us for. When sugar enters your bloodstream, your pancreas springs into action, pumping out insulin to manage the sudden spike in blood glucose. This roller coaster of blood sugar levels becomes particularly problematic when repeated multiple times daily. Over time, cells start ignoring insulin signals, leading to insulin resistance, the precursor to type 2 diabetes. What's worse, sugar doesn't just affect your metabolism. It launches a full-scale attack on nearly every system in your body. As sugar courses through your veins, its destructive power extends far beyond blood sugar regulation. Your liver, working tirelessly to process this flood of fructose, begins transforming excess sugar into fat through a process called de novo lipogenesis. This isn't just harmless weight gain. It's the creation of visceral fat that wraps around vital organs, increasing inflammation and disease risk. Meanwhile, your immune system suffers collateral damage as sugar suppresses white blood cell activity, leaving your body vulnerable to infections. Even your skin pays the price, with sugar molecules attaching to collagen fibers through glycation, accelerating aging and contributing to wrinkles. The addiction cycle created by sugar rivals that of cocaine in laboratory studies. Each hit triggers the release of opioids and dopamine in the brain's reward center, creating a powerful craving loop that's difficult to break. Food manufacturers understand this perfectly, precisely engineering products to maximize what they call the bliss point, that perfect balance of sugar, fat, and salt that keeps consumers coming back for more. This manipulation creates a dangerous dependency, where willpower alone often proves insufficient against sugar's powerful grip on our physiology and psychology. The consequences of chronic sugar consumption extend deep into your body's core systems, affecting everything from your heart to your brain. Excess sugar molecules circulating in your bloodstream can damage blood vessel walls, leading to atherosclerosis, the hardening and narrowing of arteries that dramatically increases heart attack and stroke risk. Your brain isn't spared either. Research shows that high sugar intake correlates with increased risk of depression and anxiety, while also potentially contributing to cognitive decline and Alzheimer's disease. Some scientists have even begun referring to Alzheimer's as type 3 diabetes due to the strong link between insulin resistance and dementia. Perhaps most insidiously, sugar disrupts your body's natural hunger signals. It interferes with leptin, the hormone responsible for telling your brain when you're full, while simultaneously boosting ghrelin, which stimulates appetite. This hormonal sabotage creates a vicious cycle of overeating and cravings, making it increasingly difficult to maintain a healthy weight. The energy crash that follows a sugar high leaves you feeling drained and reaching for yet another sugary pick-me-up, perpetuating the cycle of dependency and metabolic disruption. Breaking free from sugar's grip requires understanding its omnipresence in modern life. Processed foods hide sugar under countless aliases: high fructose corn syrup, maltodextrin, evaporated cane juice, making it challenging to avoid even for the most vigilant consumers. The food industry spends billions marketing these products, targeting children and vulnerable populations with colorful packaging and misleading health claims. Yet, reducing sugar intake can yield remarkable results: improved energy levels, better sleep quality, enhanced mental clarity, and reduced inflammation throughout the body. The journey away from sugar dependence starts with awareness and small, sustainable changes. Gradually replacing sugary snacks with whole foods allows your taste buds to adjust naturally. As your body heals from sugar's toxic effects, you may notice improvements in digestion, clearer skin, and a more stable mood. Remember, every bite is a choice. Will you feed addiction or nourish your body? The power to transform your health lies in understanding sugar's true nature and making informed decisions about what you consume. If this eye-opening exploration of sugar's impact has resonated with you, join our community of health-conscious viewers by subscribing now. Together, let's take control of our health, one informed choice at a time.